Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Burlington, and I'm just gonna see what's new. It's another late night trip to Burlington. So I'm gonna look in the juniors and women's clothing. That's usually where I look. And I might have another video where I look at the shoes, or it might be in this video. No, it's going to be another video. This video, I'm just going to look at clothes right now. So for $8, you get this little mustard colored dressy top. And a Marvel t-shirt. And this little gray top. $6 for the little white top. I like this one. I like how the letters are in rainbow, the Republic letters. Super cute. They have this little cheetah print. A yellow top, a little Mickey shirt. A little gray top. You probably need a tank top for that one. That one's see-through. Then we got this one. I like all the Bible verses all over it. And $6. So they have a lot of shirts with the Bible verses, so that's nice. And this shirt says blessed. It has a blessed written on each sleeve too. And then on the back there's better one day without you than 1,000 elsewhere. I'm gonna have to look up that Bible verse because that sounds interesting. And then this one is cute. It looks like a little taxi cab with the yellow and the little checkered on the shoulders. And then a little $6 red shirt. And this flowy t-shirt. It reminds me of the American Eagle t-shirts that are like soft. So then this is Airy from American Eagle. It looks like a big sleep shirt, but it doesn't really have to be one. So then this shirt is American Eagle for $13. So it's probably a past season, but it's super pretty. I like the sleeves on it. An $8 roughly cream colored shirt. how cute is this Winnie the Pooh hoodie? And it's got Pooh on the drawstrings. Super cute. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Burlington. Subscribe if you're new. I appreciate my subscribers. I appreciate people who just watch my video and don't even subscribe. I appreciate people who like it. And I appreciate the kind comments. Thanks so much for watching.